Hello class 10 children. Now today our topic in DBMS is primary key and foreign key. We have already studied that in your relational database management system, the data is maintained in the form of relations. Relations, that means in the form of tables. In a table, it is a combination of your rows and columns. Your columns are also known as your attributes, while the rows, they are also known as tuples. Okay, so now in this, to understand the concept of primary key and foreign key, first let us take an example of table 1, that is department. Now in a table department, we have the following attributes or the column names, that is department ID, department name and address. Now the department ID, that is, we fill the values D1, D2 and D3, and the department name is XYZ ABC PQR. Address, we can consider any random address, Delhi, Noida, Dehradun, any. Now in this department table, the department ID is unique. Every department will have a unique ID. Unique means it cannot repeat. It will be same. It cannot be same, sorry. So department ID will be acting as a primary key. Now there are two things for any field to act as a primary key. That is, it should be unique and it should have not null value. So here in this table department ID will be acting as a primary key because it is unique and it is not having any null values. So a primary key is any unique key that identifies the row of a table. So a primary key has two properties. It is unique and the second property is it is not null. Why we use primary key? Primary keys are helpful in identifying the row of a table. No two departments can have the same ID, so it is acting as a primary key. Now to understand the concept of foreign key, we take another table as the employee table. Now in the employee table, we have the employee ID, the employee name, the address of the employee, and the department in which the employee works. So employee E1 works in department D1. Employee E2 works in department D1 again. Two employees can work in the same department, yes. Now employee E3, he is working in department D2. Now this department ID, here it will be acting as a foreign key. Why? Because it served as a primary key in some other table. So any attribute to act as a foreign key, it should have the property that it should be acting as a primary key in some other relation or in some other table. So here your department ID is a foreign key because it acted as a primary key in some other table, that was department. So foreign key is a key that is referred to or acting as a primary key in some other table. So we can just to summarize, we can say that primary key is the parent and foreign key is the child. Parent because main, it is primary key is the main key and it is used to identify the records of a table. So that is why it is acting as a parent. Now a parent can have many children. So this foreign key refers to the child key because it has come from that table, that is department. So these are the two keys, that is your primary key and foreign key. So if it is asked the difference between the primary key and foreign key, so primary key is a unique key that is not null and it identifies the record of a table, while a foreign key is a key that is acting as a primary key in some other table. Similarly, if you take a student table, the first field is roll number, the second field is student name, and the third field is marks. So the roll number of the student will be the primary key because it is unique. A student cannot, two students cannot have the same roll number. So roll number will be a primary key in the student table. And if we take the another table, marks, in which we have the marks of the student, then the percentage of marks, and the third field is again your roll number. So this roll number in the marks table will be acting as a foreign key because it was a primary key in the student table. So children, this is the basic difference between a primary key and a foreign key. Today you will be making notes from this video itself. Just you need to make these two tables and write the definition of both, the primary key and the foreign key. And in the end you will mention that primary key is the parent key and the foreign key acts as a child key. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.